Some souls enter your life quietly, yet leave footprints on your heart that never fade. They weren't planned, they weren't expected, and that's exactly why they mattered. Sometimes the ones who feel the most are the ones who shake your world the hardest. They arrive when life has made you numb, and suddenly you feel again, deeply, fearlessly. Their presence awakens parts of you you forgot even existed, like laughter, hope, and wonder. They weren't sent to stay forever. They were sent to remind you that your heart is still alive. Someone younger was never an accident in your life. Their arrival was written long before you ever met them. Some souls don't enter with noise or chaos. They come quietly, almost unnoticed. No loud footsteps, no grand announcements, just a gentle presence that slowly begins to change everything. They appear unexpectedly, unplanned, often younger than you, and somehow they touch a place in your heart you didn't even know was empty. You may have questioned it in silence. Why now? Why someone younger? Why do they feel so deeply connected to my soul? It's because they weren't sent to impress you. They were sent to awaken you. Someone younger comes into your life to remind you of parts of yourself you forgot, your innocence, your softness, your ability to feel deeply without fear. They challenge your walls, heal your past, and teach you lessons without saying a word. Their presence is not coincidence. It's divine timing. Listen closely. They didn't come to stay forever. They came to change you forever. Someone younger was never an accident. They were sent exactly when your soul was ready to understand why. 1. They were never meant to stay forever. They were meant to awaken you. Not every connection enters your life to remain. Some arrive only to shake your soul awake. When someone younger came into your life, it wasn't planned, logical, or expected. In fact, you may have resisted it at first, yet somehow they slipped past your defenses and touched a place you thought was closed forever. That's because they didn't come for comfort. They came for awakening. They arrived when routine had dulled your spirit, when responsibility had silenced your laughter, when life had slowly taught you to survive instead of feel. And then suddenly, you felt alive again. You smiled without forcing it. You felt excitement without reason. You remembered emotions you believed you had outgrown. That wasn't weakness. That was your soul remembering itself. Some people don't come to stay. They come to remind you that your heart still beats, still hopes, still feels. Before we move to the next truth, ask yourself, what part of me did they awaken that had been asleep for too long? 2. They came to mirror the part of you that you lost. A younger soul often enters your life carrying something you once had, but slowly lost along the way. Not because they are better than you, but because they reflect you. Through their laughter, their honesty, their fearless way of feeling, they awaken memories inside you. You begin to realize, I used to be like this. Life taught you to be careful, to hold back, to protect your heart, and in doing so, you buried your innocence, your curiosity, your belief in love and possibility. Then they appeared, unafraid to dream, unashamed to feel, brave enough to be real. And suddenly, something inside you stirred again. They weren't sent to replace anyone or compete with your past. They were sent to remind you of who you were before life hardened you. 3. The age difference was never the message. The timing was. People will always focus on age, but age was never the point. The timing was. They entered your life at a moment when your heart was tired, when you were questioning everything, when you were slowly closing yourself off from feeling, and somehow they arrived exactly then, not before you were ready, not after you had given up, right when your soul could finally feel again. That kind of timing is never random. It's alignment. They showed up when you needed awakening, not explanation. When you needed connection, not logic. Their presence matched an inner shift already happening inside you, when something touches your life at the exact moment your heart is changing. It's not coincidence. It's purpose unfolding quietly, exactly when you needed it most. 4. They triggered emotions you thought you were done with. This connection didn't feel calm or simple. It felt intense, confusing, and deeply unsettling in the most honest way. They awakened emotions you believed you had already mastered and buried. Hope returned where numbness lived. Fear surfaced where control once ruled. Longing appeared where you thought acceptance had settled. A younger soul often enters your life to break emotional stagnation. They don't come to keep things comfortable. They come to make you feel again. And feeling again after being emotionally numb can be overwhelming. It can feel frightening. But it is necessary, because numb hearts don't grow. They only survive. And this connection wasn't about peace. It was about revival. It reminded you that your heart still responds, still aches, still dreams, and that means you are still alive. 5. They were sent to teach you emotional honesty. With them, you couldn't pretend. You couldn't hide behind experience or emotional distance. They felt everything deeply, and they expected the same truth from you. Your silence spoke loudly to them. Your guardedness was seen. Your emotions were exposed without words. They asked questions you avoided. They sensed shifts you thought were invisible, and through them, you were forced to face your own heart honestly. You learned that love is not control, not strategy, not protection. It is vulnerability. That lesson is powerful, because once you learn to be emotionally honest, you can never return to pretending. And that alone makes this connection meaningful beyond measure. 6. Sometimes they stay, sometimes they leave. Both have meaning. Not every younger soul is meant to stay. Some come briefly, but leave a lifelong impact. If they walked away, it doesn't mean the connection failed. Some people are sent to open your heart, not to live inside it forever. They soften you, they awaken you, and when their purpose is complete, they move on. Leaving does not erase their importance, it completes it. 7. They changed you more than you realize. Even if they are gone, you are not the same person anymore. You feel deeper now, you understand yourself better. They activated parts of you that were asleep. That change is permanent. 8. This connection was never about possession. You were never meant to own them. Love was never about control. It was about growth. Some soul connections are measured by impact, not duration. 9. Why it still feels unfinished, because it didn't end. It transformed into wisdom, into awareness, into inner guidance. 10. What this connection was preparing you for. They recalibrated your heart, raised your standards, prepared you for what comes next. 11. If you still feel them, this is why. Meaningful connections leave energetic traces. That's not weakness, that's growth. 12. Final message you needed to hear. They were never an accident. They were sent to awaken you. And now the real question isn't why they came, it's what you will do with the person you've become because of them. Don't miss the last message, because the last message is especially for you. So listen, be carefully. Some people enter our lives not to stay, but to change us forever. They awaken parts of our hearts we thought were lost. They teach us to feel, to hope, to trust again. Even if they leave, even if things didn't turn out the way we wished, their presence was never meaningless. Every smile, every tear, every moment shared was a lesson, a reminder of who we truly are. Now, the question isn't why they came. The question is, what will you do with the person you've become because of them? Tell me in the comments, which part of yourself did they awaken? Thanks for staying with me at last. So please like, share and subscribe the channel for more mindset-changing videos, because this channel will grow with your support and your love.